off a plain street, top down with fresh air, where the flag still waves and the folks still care. I saw the steeples shining just past Maine, like nothing's really changed, and I'm glad it ain't. Mama's porch, lights still burning bright, and I swear the stars shine different here at night. Where the kids still run and the front doors stay unlocked. Yeah, Bethel's holding on to everything we lost. Take me back to Bethel, where the world moves slow, where we learned about life at the end of a dirt road. Homecoming floats and the Midway screen, sipping on 7-Up, sharing small town dreams. Ben Franklin's 5 and dime, $5 could buy some time. We got family and country, we're all in line. Yeah, I still hear every hometown church bell ringing through my soul, calling me back to Bethel. Daddy taught me work with a calloused hand, and Mama showed grace only heaven can. Friday night lights, holding hands in the bleachers, learn more from the preacher than all my teachers. We didn't need much, but a good clean heart, a truck bed full of friends and a head full of stars. It's a million miles from where I stand now, but it still feels like the only place I'm found. Take me back to Bethel, where the world moves slow, where we learned about life at the end of a dirt road. Homecoming floats and the Midway screen, sipping on 7-Up, sharing small town dreams. Ben Franklin's 5 and dime, $5 could buy some time. When got family and country, we're all in line. Yeah, I still hear every hometown church bell ringing through my soul, calling me back to Bethel. Now I'm chasing time, chasing pay, but I'd trade it all for just one more day. Down our old back road, hearing my name from the folks who raised me, never looking for fame. Take me back to Bethel, where the world moves slow, where we said our prayers before every meal, Lord knows. Homecoming floats and the Midway screen, where love was real and the nights were clean. Ben Franklin's 5 and dime, $5 could buy some time. We got family and country, we're all in line. Yeah, bell still rings and my heart still swells every time I think of going back to Bethel. Yeah, someday I'll find my way back to Bethel.